Hello, I'm Lindsay Altamirano with Dalia Coffee, and as you know, we bring our specialty coffee to you right here in the US from our farm in Nicaragua. But a lot of people ask us, what is specialty coffee? Well, it's not some word we make up. In fact, it's a standard that is recognized worldwide and set by an organization called the Specialty Coffee Association. They have people who are certified as what are called Q graders that grade your coffee through a very rigorous process to determine if it scores 80 points or above. And if it does, you have specialty coffee. And that's what we have here at Dalia. Our coffee scores 85 points and above, making it delicious to drink every morning. Specialty coffee takes a lot of work to make it what it is, and it all starts right at origin, right at the farm level. And here at Dalia Coffee, we take a lot of care into that entire process. And we're happy to share our process from planting all the way to getting it here to the US with you. So like and subscribe below, where you can learn more about our process at the farm, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much.